In this step-by-step ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial, I will show you complete walkthrough of the platform while entertaining you at the same time so you don't feel bored like when you watch most of other videos. And then if you stick with me till the end, I'll show you how you can make an extra $2,400 as a ClickFunnels 2.0 affiliate and get referrals so you can get those monthly recurring commissions that pass you income. Hello Freedom Family, let's dive right into it. So if you want to have a weekly group coaching, accountability and additional support, access to courses that will just jumpstart your journey, you can sign up for free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0 and do this along with me. So the first step is welcome to ClickFunnels 2.0. There is a video here that you can watch, and then step 2 is you can set up your funnel hub, which is basically a homepage for your business. And this is awesome because in 1.0 you couldn't build a homepage, you had to do it through a funnel, it was complicated, but here you can do it. So you can watch that video as well. And then you can set up a blog here, which is another new thing. In 1.0 you couldn't do it, but here in ClickFunnels 2.0 you can set up your own blog and rank for SEO in Google, right? And then step 4 is you can create your own course. And this is powerful. Many people are transitioning from Kajabi, Teachable to ClickFunnels 2.0 because it's all in one solution, right? And once you have everything under one platform, you become more efficient because you are more focused, you are not distracted by all these platforms that you have to connect together. And if you don't want to miss out my tutorial how to create your course step by step, then subscribe to the channel because I will specifically create a video for that. And then step number 5 in the checklist, you can set up funnels, workflows, emails, products and more. And watch video with Tony Robbins as his reaction of the platform. And then you want to complete your payment gateway setup, and you can get started right here. We'll talk about it later as well. On the bottom of the page you can connect your ClickFunnels Classic 1.0 account so you don't lose anything you built before. How do you like ClickFunnels 2.0 so far? Let me know below in the comments, I would love to know. So here on the left you have menu, you can go to site and funnels, and here you can build your homepage, blog, funnels, pages, URL, redirects and courses. So let me quickly show you how does it look. So I built this homepage and I want to show you the editor. So just like in ClickFunnels 1.0 you have sections, rows here, and you can add text, you can embed YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, and you can go to settings, and then you can move it top, bottom, you can change the size of the text, right? When you click on these 3 dots you get even more options. You can change the font size like this, right? Then here you can add a video, you can just grab your link from YouTube channel for example and paste it here and you will have a video. And if you want to add a row, you just click here, you can add 1 column, 2 columns, 3, as many as you want. If you want to add element, you just click on add element, and here you have lots of elements to choose from: bullet list, paragraph, image, video pop-up, button, box, audio, lots of elements, countdown timer, confirmation page, payment methods, you can accept payments, checkout, your signature, name, links, name, category. So there are more features, many more features than in ClickFunnels 1.0, and you will have so much fun with it. Like the video if you like it so far, and if you have questions, please leave them below. Now let's take a look at other features of ClickFunnels 2.0. You can upload your logo, customize your site. Here you can go to funnels and create a new funnel. And the editor is basically the same, so we don't have to go through it again. And here you can create courses, just click on new course, so you can choose your template, blank course, let's go with this one, and here you put thumbnail, theme, and more. So we'll talk about it in my next video, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out. Here you can create your products. You just click on create a product, and ClickFunnels, they will give you instructions all the time, so you want to read these, you don't get lost, right? You go through next, it will show you where to search for products, where to create it, right? And here you will have orders from your clients, and again the instructions like manage your orders, navigation menu, and here you can have subscriptions as well. And here you have contacts, right? So you have all contacts here, and you can import contacts, you can segment them, you can tag them depending on what they sign up for. And let's go to analytics. So here you can analyze your opt-ins, total page views, and product sales, and all of that, and marketing, which is pretty cool, where you can build workflows and broadcast emails to your contacts. And then if we take a look at this example I tested recently, there are all kinds of things that you can measure here. Many features are not optimized correctly yet, but once they will be, this is gonna be powerful. So I sent an email and I got 0 open rate, which is crazy, because actually 3% people clicked, total clicks 61. So this is not working correctly yet, but hopefully soon there will be an update, and you will also be able to see deliverability of different email service providers like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, Apple Mail. So this is pretty cool as well. And then in the sales, there will be opportunities, conversations with your prospects, appointments you can schedule, rep management, phone calls, lead scoring. So this is going to be very cool. It's not released yet, but it's coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Here in the settings you can put your Workspace name, Workspace logo, and more. Here you will have billing, so let's take a look at that. So you see different features depending on the tier of ClickFunnels 2.0 you have. So with basic it's pretty similar, just like on ClickFunnels 1.0, and then ClickFunnels 2.0 Pro. Here you have 3 payment gateways, up to 25 contacts, unlimited products, and you can maintain your ClickFunnels 1.0 account, and then ClickFunnels 2.0 funnel hacker account, which was called Platinum on 1.0, costs the same, $297 per month, and you get up to 200 courses, 20,000 students, 200,000 contacts, and basically the beast mode of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, if you want to have this funnel hacker account but don't want to spend $297 every month, which is basically, if we put it in a calculator, that's over $3,500. So there is a special package from ClickFunnels that costs just $2,000, and you get extra bonuses from me, coaching, you can set up everything quickly and grow your business fast. So if you want to save money, get that extra support, help from me, I will put the link below, and I would be excited to work with you. I will get a small commission from that, but I will be able to give you my time and we can work together. Okay, so I wanted to mention that to save you some money. And here you have Payments AI, where you can basically accept all online payments today after you set it up. Okay, so because you stick with me until now, I want to show you how to make an extra money as a ClickFunnels affiliate by recommending the software and its product. So if your clients could benefit from using ClickFunnels 2.0, then you want to recommend it, right? You can easily sign up for affiliate program that ClickFunnels 2.0 has, and you will get unique links and start promoting. Right, so I already made $2,400 after it was launched by promoting the first funnel challenge and then the $2,000 package, funnel builder secret, and I got pretty good commission from that. So if you sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0 with my link below, you will get access to our weekly group coaching where we will talk about this as well, and basically we'll master all platform together. Whenever you have questions, you can just ask me and I will show you. If you grab Funnel Builder Secrets $2,000 package and commit to 1 year, then I will be able to give you even more of my time and jump on one-on-one call with you if you need something and just help you move quickly with your business. Okay, so like the video, comment below your question, and now you can watch this next one that you are gonna love. I will see you there. Hey, I'm Mario, and if you want to start or grow your business from anywhere, please subscribe so I can help you live a life beyond your wildest dreams.